The airspeed indicator is calibrated to allow for compressibility at an atmospheric density of 1225 grams per cubic meter, or ISA at mean sea level. However, at any other density, which in practice means nearly always, there is compressibility error. Compressibility error is insignificant at true airspeeds up to 300 knots, but must be applied if the initial calculation gives a TAS of more than 300 knots. Let's see how we deal with it in the following example. We are at flight level 350. The static air temperature is -47, and the CAS is 265 knots. What is the true airspeed? Start by calculating the TAS from CAS in the usual way. In the airspeed window, set flight level 350 against -47 degrees Celsius. Find 265 knots on the inner scale. Now read off the number on the outer scale. What do you get? You should have 473 knots TAS. This is over 300. So how do we apply compressibility correction? Look at the term written under the compressibility correction window. It says TAS over 100 minus 3 divisions. So divide the initial TAS by 100 and subtract 3. This gives us 1.73 divisions. Now, in the compressibility correction window, move the index arrow 1.73 divisions to the left. It is not easy to judge this to a second decimal place, but just try to be as accurate as you sensibly can. You have moved the inner scale to the left, altering the relationship of CAS to TAS, correcting it for compressibility. Now read off the new value of TAS against 265 knots CAS on the inner scale. What do you get? You should have found a revised TAS of 457 knots. This is the final answer, and is how you correct for compressibility error.